It's quiz time. Think you know basic Korean words? Let's put your brain to the test. Take this fun Korean quiz and see how many you get right. Don't forget to comment your score at the end. Ready? First question starts now.
What does 걸레 mean? Rag. What does 물 mean? Water. How do you say thank you in Korean? 고마워요. 학교 means school. What does 고양이 mean? Cat. How do you say I'm sorry politely? 미안해요. 의자는 chair. What does 배고파요 mean? I'm hungry. Which one means book? 책. 안녕히 계세요 is used when you're leaving. You're halfway there. How many have you gotten right so far? Comment your score below. Let's see who's winning. Ready for the next one? 딴 means bread. Which one means bathroom? 화장실. 하늘 means sky. Which one is a greeting? 안녕하세요. 오늘 means today. 지하철은 subway. How do you say no in Korean?
아니요.
학생 means student. What does 사랑해요 mean? I love you. Which one means delicious? 맛있어요.
Well done! You finished the quiz. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments and challenge a friend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more fun Korean quizzes. See you in the next Hangul Chats episode.